Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Maddie. If you don't know me already, welcome back if you do. I'm just gonna explain now because you guys keep asking. My dog knocked my tooth out, okay? So I'm toothless for another probably 2.5 weeks. So get it while you can if you're into the tooth fetishes. But today we are going to be doing glutes. I just finished my workout. I just did a 220-pound front squat. We're gonna post it in the video. You're gonna watch me do it, and then you're gonna watch me do some glutes. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. All right, we're gonna strap ourselves in here and do some hip thrusts. And I'm just gonna be in my socks today. A lot of you like to say, Maddie, why aren't you wearing any shoes? And if you're at a gym and they don't care and you're lifting at your own risk, like you can, like just don't wear shoes. Like that's okay to do things that you want to do. But if it's a gym where they're like, hey, you gotta wear shoes, like you gotta listen. But I'm a rule follower, and if I want to do no shoes in the gym, you guys, I'm gonna do no shoes in the gym. Free will, I have free will. Don't forget. We're just gonna go a little lighter, hold at the top. I'm gonna be 30 tomorrow. Big 30. Dirty, 30, and dying. I was wondering why I was hurting my hips. I forgot to put that little pussy pad on. Everyone's favorite. Did you guys notice anything different? I got my pink toenails. I don't want to tell you guys if I'm really small or if she's really tall, but
I'm 4'11",
so you can only imagine I'm 6 inches shorter than her.
yeah.
6 inches, that's a good amount. That's a big. But she moved here to Texas, so you guys are gonna see a lot. She moved here to Texas, so you guys Sometimes you gotta be creative in the gym, and I just made these up. Some people could have done, I've never seen it before, so.
There you go.
I've never done those before. I think I just made something up. Those are called the pans. Try them if you want. I just finished my workout. I am ready to show you my pump. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed my glute workout. Honestly, whenever I do glutes, I end up doing glutes and hamstrings. So don't come for me if you're like, that's not a glute workout, because I just like to mix the both. They're really close together. So I will see you next week. Make sure you say happy birthday to me. Even though this video will be posted a little later than my birthday, it still means a lot, okay? If you want to see more of me, go ahead and click the link below and subscribe. I'll be bored, so I'll be chatting away if you want to chat with me. And I'll talk to you soon. Love you, bye.